Hi there, here's how you can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account. Just click on profile, then click on your page. Make sure you have switched into page, then click on settings, then scroll them it down. Click on linked accounts. Make sure you have business Instagram account. Click on connect account. These are the benefits that you're gonna get from connection, like replying the commenting from single section and doing the mutual ads and sharing the stories and cross post posting as well. Click on connect, allow access to inbox as well. It's your choice. Click on connect. So I have already logged in my Instagram account onto this browser, so it's showing me the Instagram account. Click on login as Novix Limited. So enter the code which is sent on your email. Click continue, and it's almost done. Done. So my page is connected with my Instagram account, so I can be able to do the cross posting, and I can be able to do the comments and etc by accessing MetaSuite. Here you can see my page is connected, and I can do the mutual activities by using uh, this single platform. So keep watching my videos for more details and more options, and you can watch my other videos like verifying the business manager without documents and some other tricks as well. So thanks so much for watching the videos. Hope to see you in more.